That guys.
If you guys watched yesterday's video, what happened?
Found that she's not here.
Did she have to go to the hospital?
Yeah.
Tony, you look sad. So she said she might be gone a couple days, huh?
Yeah.
Do we want to see if she came back?
I think in the ottoman.
In the ottoman? Just because I was standing on it?
Yeah. No.
Is she in there?
Yeah. No, just the wire.
Oh. So where did she leave your note last night, yesterday? No, we're not gonna
Where
flip it over.
she normally is.
So do you think that if she's still at the North Pole, if she left us a note, that she would leave it on that shelf? Mm-hmm. So let's go check.
No. Yeah.
Is there a note, buddy?
I want to get it.
Oh, it's a note. Let's see what it says. It says, I am back. Come find me. With a hee hee and a ha ha. We gotta go find her. Yeah, the elf is back. Let's go figure out where she is. Straight to the closet. No? She's not in the closet? Oh, we're going upstairs now. Not in your room, is she? That'd be silly, huh? We gotta look for the elf.
Yeah, I wasn't in here last night. Here's Tony's elf.
Oh, hanging out with your new baby alive.
Yeah.
Baby gotta bounce.
A mommy's room. Look over there to see that video. She's in the bathroom.
All right, now where are we going?
And downstairs.
Downstairs, guys.
Wow!
What'd you find? Ooh. Let them come down.
Say.
Huh?
What does the note say?
We have another note. What is it, buddy?
Open it. Snowman.
Snowmans. And there's our elf back, looking healthier than ever. All right. Oh, look at those snowmen. That's cool. Let's see what this note says first, okay?
Okay.
And then we'll see what's with the snowman. So it says, "Dear family, I missed you so much.
We missed you too.
I am feeling lots better and got all my magic back. I brought you snowmen from the North Pole. Santa says hi and keep up the good work. Be careful not to touch me." Okay?
Okay.
There's only 13 days left till Christmas. How cool is that?
Take this one.
And then at the end it says, "Love your elf, Unicorn Balerina."
You get this one.
What do we get, buddy?
This.
What are they?
This.
I think we got chocolate chippies, M&Ms, and donuts.
1, 2.
She sent us donuts for breakfast. Are they good?
People buy. They're from Dunkin'.
They're from Dunkin'? I don't think so.
Uh-huh.
How do you know?
I took a bite and I noticed that they're from Dunkin'.
You know Dunkin' Donuts that well?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe she stopped. Maybe there's a Dunkin' Donuts at the North Pole?
Yeah.
Those elves gotta stay caffeinated somehow.
Is. Excuse me, are we on a coffee break?
We don't drink coffee.
Then I guess the break is over. Back to work, thanks.
Can we say thank you, Unicorn Ballerina?
Thank you, Unicorn Balerina.
All right, well, I think that they're just gonna be eating their breakfast now. So we're gonna say peace out, Wody.
Peace out, Wody. He's got Rosie. Little